Hi, my name is Pat O'Connor, and I own the Veritas Real Estate Group. So I'm here to be your instructor, your help. And why am I doing it? Because I enjoy seeing people get ahead. Now with loan origination, a lot of times you can do it from a home, so it's great. That's what a lot of people are looking for. So why am I qualified? I was a licensed Florida mortgage broker for 7 years. I owned and taught at my own mortgage school in Florida. And I am the author of a successful book on Amazon, The Safe Mortgage Loan Originator National Exam Study Guide. It was published in 2013, but it is updated every year as the laws change and that kind of stuff. It's updated every January. It's available, it's in Kindle and paperback, so take your pick. Paperback's a little easier if you want to keep and save the practice exams so you can do them over and over again. But what are we going to cover? I am going to focus primarily at the beginning on the federal laws because that is the bulk of the national exam, especially if you throw in ethical considerations. So I'll take one or two laws at a time. Things like RESPA and TILA are going to have their own video. But if you get into things like Patriot Act and Do Not Call, those may be combined. I will probably in the beginning do more than one video a week so I can start building up the content. But I guarantee that I will have at least one new video. And the end of the video will have a link to the practice questions that you can download. If you're in a hurry to, know more about one topic, you just don't understand what's going on, comment. And I get a copy of all the comments and I will try to prioritize that and I will answer you. And if it just takes a quick answer, maybe you don't know how to solve a math problem or something, that's fine. I'll tell you how to do the math. Although that will be a separate video somewhere down the line. So that will be my channel. And I hope everyone takes advantage of it. Subscribe. You'll get the practice questions, for free, and they are different from the ones in the book. All of this is free to you. So if you subscribe, it's a way of saying thank you. We appreciate what you're doing for us. And I will see you in the next video, which will be Real Estate Settlement Procedures Act. Okay, goodbye.